Hi everyone, welcome back to Men's Health 036. Let me ask you something straight from the heart. Are you struggling with restless nights, waking up just as tired as when you went to bed? Have you noticed your erections aren't as strong as they used to be? Do you feel like your energy is slipping away day after day, no matter what you do? If you nodded yes to any of these, I need you to stay with me. Because what I'm about to share with you is something most men never hear explained clearly. And once you understand it, it could change the way you see your own body. Now, let's be clear. These problems are not just a normal part of aging. They're not just what happens when you get older. They are signals, warning signs that your body is missing something essential. It's not keeping up with the recovery process it's supposed to handle every single night. And when that nightly recovery starts to fail, everything else begins to fall apart. I've seen this story repeat itself with so many men I've helped. They come to me saying, I sleep, but I wake up drained. My erections are weaker than before. My desire isn't there anymore. My body feels heavy. My mind feels foggy. I'm irritated and I don't even know why. And when I look deeper into their lifestyles, I almost always find the same thing. Their bodies have lost the ability to recover during the night. And here's the truth. This nightly recovery is the difference between feeling like a strong, vibrant 60, year, old, or feeling like you've jumped straight to 80. So, what actually happens to your body at night? This is where most men are shocked. Because it's during sleep that your body performs its most vital repairs. Your natural testosterone is produced. Blood vessels in the penis expand and regenerate. The prostate reduces inflammation. And deep in every cell, your mitochondria, the little power plants of your body, recharge your energy for the next day. So, if your sleep is poor, your body weakens. And the very first place you'll notice that weakness is in your sexual vitality, your physical strength, and your overall drive. But then the big question comes up. Why does sleep get worse after 60? Here's the clear answer. As men age, the body naturally loses certain minerals and nutrients it used to have in abundance. And the single most important one is magnesium. Magnesium is the cornerstone mineral for deep, restorative male sleep. It's crucial for nocturnal erections. It's directly tied to testosterone production. Without it, your body goes into a state of alert, like it's bracing for trouble. You might fall asleep, but you never sink into that deep recovery sleep. And without that, the body cannot repair itself. The signs of magnesium deficiency at night are actually very clear. See if any of these sound familiar. Waking up 2 or 3 times to urinate. Restless, light sleep with weird dreams or sudden jolts awake. Muscle cramps, leg tension or tingling. Waking up tired, like you never slept. Feeling more anxious, short-tempered, or impatient during the day. Morning erections becoming rare or weak. If you notice 2 or more of these, your body is practically shouting for magnesium. But why does this mineral fade away as we age? There are 2 reasons. First, modern food just doesn't have the magnesium it once did. Our soils are depleted, which means vegetables, grains, nuts, and seeds carry far less of it than before. Second, a man over 60 absorbs far less magnesium than he used to, even if he eats the right foods. So even with good nutrition, the deficiency continues. That's when fatigue, impotence, weak sleep, and silent loss of vitality start creeping in. So, what can you actually do about this? The first step is restoring those lost nutrients. And for magnesium, it matters a lot which type you take, because not all magnesium is the same. At the pharmacy, you'll see a long list: magnesium oxide, citrate, chloride, bisglycinate, threonate, and more. Most men assume they're all the same. That's a big mistake. The form you choose makes all the difference for erections, sleep, energy, and mental clarity. The 2 most powerful forms for men over 60 are these. Number 1, magnesium bisglycinate, also called glycinate. This form is highly absorbable and gentle on the stomach. It works directly on your parasympathetic nervous system, the relax mode of your body. It calms you, relaxes muscles and blood vessels, and reduces nighttime anxiety. In short, it helps you sleep deeply and wake up more potent. Number 2, magnesium L-threonate. This is the only magnesium that can cross into the brain. It improves focus, memory, and mental clarity. It quiets those racing, anxious thoughts that keep men awake. It helps if you're the type who wakes up at 3 a.m. and can't fall back asleep because your mind won't stop running. So how do you take magnesium the right way? The best time is 30 to 60 minutes before bed. That gives your body time to absorb it and let the calming effects kick in. For bisglycinate, usually 200 to 400 milligrams per night. For threonate, about 1 to 2 grams per night, which gives around 144 milligrams of elemental magnesium. Start with the lowest dose for 3 nights, then increase if needed. Take it with warm water or a calming tea like chamomile. And one more tip, after you take it, avoid bright screens or harsh lights. Let your body ease into night mode, then lie down. Don't wait for sleep to arrive. Signal to your body that it's time to shut down. What happens then? In the first 1 to 3 days, most men fall asleep faster, muscles feel looser, and the heart slows naturally. By day 4 to 7, energy starts coming back, morning erections may return, and nighttime bathroom trips lessen. After 2 weeks, sleep stretches 6 to 8 hours, anxiety drops, libido rises naturally, and there's a genuine sense of vitality again. And this all happens without heavy drugs, synthetic hormones, or nasty side effects. But let me warn you about 3 common mistakes using magnesium oxide or other cheap forms, poor absorption, and often diarrhea. Avoid them. Taking magnesium in the morning, it will only make you sluggish during the day. Take it at night. Taking it irregularly, magnesium works cumulatively. Skip nights, and your body loses rhythm. Be consistent for at least 14 nights. Now, you might be wondering, what if you're already on medication? For most men, magnesium is safe. It combines fine with common drugs like blood pressure pills, statins, prostate meds, or mild anxiety/depression treatments. But if you're on anticoagulants or strong controlled meds, consult your doctor first. What happens then? In the first 1 to 3 days, most men fall asleep faster, muscles feel looser, and the heart slows naturally. By day 4 to 7, energy starts coming back, morning erections may return, and nighttime bathroom trips lessen. After 2 weeks, sleep stretches 6 to 8 hours, anxiety drops, libido rises naturally, and there's a genuine sense of vitality again. And this all happens without heavy drugs, synthetic hormones, or nasty side effects. But let me warn you about 3 common mistakes using magnesium oxide or other cheap forms, poor absorption, and often diarrhea. Avoid them. Taking magnesium in the morning, it will only make you sluggish during the day. Take it at night. Taking it irregularly, magnesium works cumulatively. Skip nights, and your body loses rhythm. Be consistent for at least 14 nights. Now, you might be wondering, what if you're already on medication? For most men, magnesium is safe. It combines fine with common drugs like blood pressure pills, statins, prostate meds, or mild anxiety/depression treatments. But if you're on anticoagulants or strong controlled meds, consult your doctor first. Here's a bonus secret. Combine magnesium with zinc and vitamin B6 at night. This trio supercharges testosterone, enhances muscle recovery, and boosts libido. Supplements called Z may often have this formula, and they work especially well for men with natural hormone decline. So here's what I want you to take away. Fatigue, impotence, poor sleep, these are not inevitable signs of aging. They're signs of a deficiency, a gap that can be filled. Your body still has the power to be strong, vital, and alive. But it needs the right fuel at the right time. And that recovery starts at night, with 1 capsule and a commitment to yourself. I've seen men come back from a place of despair, ashamed of their performance, avoiding mirrors, disconnected from their partners. They thought it was all over. But once they rebuilt their nightly recovery, everything changed. They were reborn from the inside out. So if this message speaks to you, share it with a brother, a friend, or any man you know who deserves to regain his strength. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel because we share natural, respectful, science-backed strategies just like this. Remember this, your vitality is not dead. It's only asleep. And with the right care, it can wake up tonight. Consult your doctor for medical advice. This video is for informational purposes only and not a substitute for professional care.